Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to teach you step by step how you can add a closing date for your form on monday.com. So let us dive into this. So guys, let's assume you're collecting answers and replies for a specific team project here in your monday.com workspace or team, and now you'd like to close the given form. You can do that manually, of course, by navigating to the given form, by clicking into share form here and by deactivating it. However guys, if you'd like to set a specific date, an upcoming date in the future, a scheduled date for the closing of the given form, you can do that as well. To do that, click into edit form here, and here at the top select the settings tab. And here guys, what you want to do is scroll down a bit, and here you will see that feature schedule a close date. That's it. Simply enable it here and select the closing date here. Click into that calendar field and enter the day. Let's go, for example, with New Year's Eve, or as we say in Europe, Sylvester, and which is the year 2025. Click into set date here, and that's it. That's how you do it, guys. You can turn it off at any time or enable it back again for your form. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.